So hello everyone. So for today's task, we are going to manage and create user accounts. So first, we will go to tools. We will open the server manager of the
Okay,
Windows Server 2016.
done. Let's wait for a moment.
So our little knowledge is in any organization where more than one person has access to a computer or network, it is necessary to set up user accounts in order to give individuals access to their own files, programs, email accounts, choice of internet browser, and history, and restrict access to unauthorized persons. We recall that using ADDS to organize our network does not correspond with a single tool that is used to manage all facets of Active Directory. So we will now manage and create users account so we can um, let our users uh, manage their accounts.
Okay,
So the common practical importance of managing a user account is first, they provide access control, restricting access to various company information to only those employees or contractors authorized to view it. For example, someone in accounts may not be authorized to access HR records on the network and vice versa. Second is they enable employees to use more than one computer in an organization whether they work permanently on the premises, hot desk, or work remotely. Additionally, setting up user accounts provides a safeguard against access to a computer or network by unauthorized third parties such as visitors, tradespeople, or intruders. So after running the Windows Server 2016, we will open our server manager,
and then,
then go to tools. So after clicking the tools, select Active Directory users and computers, and then click the ccs.com, right click, go to new, and then click select on organizational unit. So we will name our organizational unit as
CCS.
CCS.
Mm-mm. Then,
Then after creating the organizational unit, we will now click on the administrator and create a user. Then we will input the name and the last name of the user. Then our user login name as first name dot last name. Then click on next. And then we will input the user password. We will also uncheck the user must change password at next login to avoid changing the passwords.
okay,
Then click on next. So after creating a user, double click on the user.
then,
and then go to member of,
Member of.
then click on add, the main admin, then click on check names. So as you
Ay.
can see, it is underlined, so it says that we found it. So click on OK. And after that, click on the CCS organizational. We can apply. Okay. CCS. CCS. Then click on the search button at the second top right option. Select users, contacts, and groups. And then there sa next na list, with the CCS, click on entire directory.
Okay.
And then input the name of our user. And then click on find now. As you can see, the user is shown. So double click on the use. We can also try to search it with its email address or their ID, etc. So if you want to change the user password or unlock the account, double click on the user. Then go to right click, then reset password. So as you can see, we can also reset the password. And then if the account is locked, we can unlock it using the checking the unlock the user's account. So click cancels, since we will not change the password of the user. So after that, we can also change the user login name, which is to double click the account. Double click. Then go to account. Then we can change it there. We can change the user login or whatsoever. And then we will go to the user, click exit. Okay. Users. Then select on domain admins. Then, as you can see, there are two members, the administrator and the user that we added.
Okay. And then?
So what we're going to do now is log into the account that we just added. So go exit. So we will sign out. Now we will log into other user and then input the user that we just added. So that is it. That is how you manage and create user accounts. That's all. Thank you.